Hello everyone. Struggling with adding a card to your Apple Pay on iPhone? You're not alone. Many users face the dreaded could not add card to Apple Pay issue, and today we're going to tackle it head on. In this guide, we'll explore step-by-step solutions to fix this problem and get your Apple Pay set up in no time. Step 1. Check your device compatibility. Before diving into potential fixes, it's essential to ensure your iPhone is compatible with Apple Pay. Navigate to Apple's official website, that's apple.com/apple-pay, and verify that your device model is supported. Generally speaking, Apple Pay is available on devices with Face ID or Touch ID, excluding iPhone S. Ensuring compatibility eliminates one possible reason for the could not add card error. Step 2. Check your iOS version. Running an outdated iOS can sometimes cause issues with Apple Pay. Go to Settings, General, Software Update on your iPhone, and ensure you're using the latest iOS version. If an update is available, be sure to install it. A newer version might fix bugs or issues related to Apple Pay, including the inability to add cards. Step 3. Verify internet connection. Having a stable internet connection is crucial when adding a card to Apple Pay. Ensure your Wi-Fi or cellular connection is strong. One quick way to check your connectivity is by loading a web page or video. If your connection is inconsistent, try restarting your router or move to an area with better cellular reception. Step 4. Review your region and account settings. Apple Pay is not available in all regions, so it's important to make sure your iPhone is set to a region that supports Apple Pay. Go to Settings, General, Language and Region to verify your selection. Additionally, check your Apple ID and ensure it's associated with the correct region. You can do this by visiting appleid.apple.com and confirming your account details. Step 5. Ensure card compatibility and contact your bank. Not all cards are compatible with Apple Pay. Check if your card is supported by visiting your bank's website or contacting them directly. Some banks may have additional steps for authorization, such as text confirmation or phone support, to enable your card for Apple Pay. Make sure your card hasn't expired and that there are no holds or restrictions on your bank account. Fixing the could not add card to Apple Pay on iPhone error may seem daunting, but by following these simple steps, you can easily resolve the issue. Start by checking device and card compatibility, ensuring your iOS is up to date, and verifying your internet connection. Don't forget to examine your region settings and consult your bank if needed. With these steps, you'll be using Apple Pay smoothly in no time. Remember, troubleshooting tech issues is all about patience and precision. If the problem persists, contacting Apple support might be your next best step. Thanks for tuning in, and happy tapping with Apple Pay.